5,
Maybe.
4,
And
3,
3 bombardment
2,
on them. Like,
1.
fucking...
Ads.
Dodge. Soak.
Sharing gains. Sharing diabeto.
Dodge.
Sharing Sausen.
Он мне туда нассал, походу.
Sharing Lime.
Be ready to stop Dum Dum.
Dodge.
Sharing Cassie.
Stop Dum Dum.
Soak.
Sharing Tora. Someone clear Finn. And Jackie.
Okay.
Dodge.
Let's
feet?
try
Feet.
to push Goliath a bit faster.
Sharing Suvi.
Heal Dupa.
Beats. Clearing Tora. Clearing
Here.
Kelly. Beat again. Crystallize.
We'll need a link here.
Soak. Dodge.
Clearing
We need
Sausen.
some-
Finn Dunk.
Next will be Skull. And after
Sunlight
it we have
go.
Cross. And after it we have Moon.
Nashi go. Clearing Plua. Vault go. Sunlight go. Watch feet. Kill
Dodge.
Skull. Clearing Tora. Vault Dunk. Watch feet. Limelight's go. Last one, only cross.
Last and go corner. We'll play
corner.
Crystallize on corner.
Watch feet, watch feet, watch feet. It'll come here, just stay here, it'll be here.
Okay. Just play
Just
it.
play it.
Just
Oh,
play
they stay here?
Clearing
Okay.
Lime and Jackie, heal him, heal him, heal him.
Blades will be out. Let's play
Corner.
with the same time. It's go Blades now.
Dodge.
Nah,
Sharing
then
Plua.
we'll need one more shit, huh?
No, go now. You can dunk it now, dunk it now, dunk it now, dunk it now.
Knock.
Push,
We got
yeah.
it.
Ads.
Kiak.
Clearing Sten. Clearing Dopa.
Clear.
Crystallize. Clearing Sharklight.
Soak. Dodge.
Bop me if it's possible, because I'm low.
In.
Okay. Thanks for healing.
Eruption. Ready for Seismic, we're going right. Moving now.
Left.
Ads.
Two.
Eruptions.
In.
Crystallize.
Clear. Soak.
Ready for seismic.
Pop, pop, pop. Here.
Moving
You see
now.
that?
Move. Dodge.
Switch.
Eruptions. Try to place one of the markers, please. This one is purple. Purple, on purple, on purple. Good. Ready for seismic. Moving now.
Move. Dodge.
Crystallize.
Clear. Soak.
Everyone in. Eruption right after.
In.
Feet.
Dodge.
Feet again.
Do we have burst? Group 2? Yeah, let's
Yeah.
pop. Pop, pop.
Feet. Watch feet. Watch
Switch.
feet. Watch feet. It's big. Eruptions.
In.
Corruptions, and then we can start dunking.
Gale dunk. South and go.
Dodge.
I got the blade.
That's fine. Finn go. Finn go. Lime go. Sten go. Crystallize. Clear. Eruptions
So-
now. Good timing with orbs.
In.
Feet. South and dunk.
That was good.
So,
Focus
blue.
on the one.
Then skull,
Skull.
and then nothing else. Skull and nothing else.
Gale dunk.
Please do not touch other mobs.
Nothing now. Just wait.
Corner.
Fin
Okay,
dunk.
well,
Fin
it's
dunk
eruption.
insta. Fin dunk insta. Insta. Go. Corner. Run.
Knock.
Oof, 1000, make it, please. Okay. we'll
Disengage is
trust
fine.
Oh, fuck my life, you're god.
Okay, let's play it. Crystallize incoming. Remember
After
blades
first blaze, we will go BL.
blades on the
So be
side,
ready.
like phase 1.
Soak.
Everyone in. Stay focused. Remember you have all your personal still. Health pots, health stones when needed.
Dodge.
Blades.
Yeah, and we're burning those cells.
Eruptions now.
Targeted.
Go.
Wow.
Stay alive.
Go.
Ready for seismic. Moving now.
Move.
Go right. Don't block people. Stay alive.
Cindy. And Lime.
Blades. Don't be on that side. Eruptions after. Clearing Finn. Eruptions now.
More focus on
Yeah.
Cal.
Shocks.
Ads.
Pizza.
It's okay, it's okay. It's
Heal Suvi
Skull.
and Kelly. Heal both.
Soak.
Everyone in Crystallize. I got Seismic after. Stack up.
Dodge.
I
blades,
got
okay,
3
blades.
stacks of blades.
Heal
With
Kelly.
4
Heal
stacks
Kelly.
of blade. I will design.
Stack up for Seismic. Moving now. Stay alive. Don't block people. You can go in the AoE on the floor. It doesn't hurt that much. Use personals. Stay alive.
You can CR me if you want. Oh, we don't have one. Okay, it's okay.
Eruptions
Yeah.
now. Eruptions.
I can't move. Nah.
Just yeah.
Just
okay.
play it.
Keep going. Kill
Kill the
the cross.
skirmishers. Kill skirmishers. We can't move. Kill skirmishers.
2.
Blades are
Blades
in your
gonna be
statue.
fucked.
Blades are in your
Blades gonna be
statue. Get
fucked.
out middle.
Ads.
More on
More on
call.
call.
Finish it off.
Crystallize.
Please do not soak. Wait. Okay, don't come into gains. Let him die.
Kill the boss, the boss, only boss.
Yeah,
Only boss.
Yes.
Only
yes,
boss.
Yes.
Yes! Fuck yeah!
Yeah, kurwa!
Fuck yeah!
Congratulations. That was quick.